My name is Edward Rosa, and this is my final project, the Rack-Pinion jack. Here are my sketches, and then we can go over to the parts here. Built the frame out of wood here, and this piece is already pre-attached because I had to glue some stuff here. We have a spring attached to a piece of wood and a bunch of other wood to help guide and with the other pieces. So we'll take this first set of gears. And this piece is actually the ratcheting part that attaches to the spring. There we go. Here's the actual jack part. This actually just sits right in here. And it's a little hard to hold and show at the same time. There we go. So that's that part put together. It's all the moving pieces. So the way this will operate, this piece right here will act as a stopper to stop this gear from going backwards. The crank on the back can be turned like this in order for this gear to change, and then the motion to be moved up to here and slide this over the rack here. All of this here is just to guide the rack from falling. And then I also have a acrylic sheet here. Will go on top, and when everything is glued together correctly, it will sit nicely. And that's the assembly of this. So here's the operation of my project. I would be turning the gear on the back here, but it's a little bit difficult from this angle. So, and this can sometimes catch. But as this gear here moves, the crank, the jack here comes up. It's a little hard to record. There we go. And then the ratcheting thing here, as you can see it moving, if I hold it down, I can push the jack back down. And what holds this here is a spring from a pen. This pen right here. On screen you can see this is what this section was supposed to be, but then this ended up getting cut off. Here's the crank on the back. Here's the rail that I used for this. Here's the big gear in the middle. Here is the ratcheting portion of it. And here is our small gear that I used for these two. And there it is.